Armstrong first landed on the moon, we thought it would take centuries for global space travel. We are here today to prove that future is closer than it seems. My name is Francis Pellegrino, and this is my partner, John Pardue. We have done extensive research on the company SpaceX, and we are here to give an extensive report on the past, present, and future of this company. We'll be going into some of their past rockets along with some of their features. We'll be going into some of their present rockets that have launched just a few days ago. And we'll be going into the future, diving into the Mars mission and the new BTFR rocket that will be produced very soon. I'd like to thank you for all you college students coming out to this seminar who are interested in the SpaceX's future. Going right into the past. SpaceX started in 2002 with an intent to revolutionize and cheapen space travel for the common person. In 2008, their Falcon 1, which is the picture right behind me, was launched, and it was their first ever private company rocket to ever be launched by a private company. By 2010, their Falcon 9 had been launched, a new rocket that was meant to, with a purpose to send people to Mars and cargo into space. On its first launch, it achieved 100% of its mission objectives, which is a very rare case for any new rocket launch. In 2012, they had released a Dragon, a conventional pod meant for storing people to launch to the International Space Station or even Mars. They have made modifications to this pod to be able to carry cargo, and they have done successful missions traveling to the International Space Station and back on multiple trips. In 2017, the Falcon 9 made its first ever reflight. Also, the Dragon, the pod, also made its first reflight. This is proof that we can actually use rockets and pods just like as we use a conventional car or airplane. We all know Elon Musk is the CEO of this company, but do you ever understand why he started the company? According to ABC News, in an interview he did, he said, and I quote, "I do not wish to reach Mars for myself, I wish to reach Mars for humanity." Elon Musk currently holds a stake of 54% in SpaceX compared to his 22% stake in Tesla, per se, Electric Magazine. This is evidence that Elon Musk has more financial independency in SpaceX than his road car company, Tesla. I'll now hand it over to my partner, John Pardue, for his next segment.
Thank you, Francis. Like you said, my name is John Pardue, and I'm going to talk to you about SpaceX currently. Right now, SpaceX is valued at $21.5 billion, according to a report by CNBC. This is one of the most valuable space companies in the world. As recently as Tuesday, February 6th, they launched their brand new rocket, the Falcon Heavy, from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This is an important milestone for them because this rocket is the most powerful rocket in the whole world by a factor of 2. According to their website, it has approximately 15 million pounds of thrust, which is equivalent to 18 747 airplanes. It is able to achieve this power with remarkable efficiency. All this power comes in at the cost of one-third of the next most powerful rocket in the world. Right now, SpaceX earns most of their money through contracts. They have around $12 billion in contracts with companies and governments to launch satellites and cargo missions, according to their website. They use this money to fund their future research and develop new rockets. Now I'll talk about the future. They're designing a new rocket known as BFR to eventually go to Mars. This new rocket will replace all their current rockets because it has all the capabilities but all in one system. According to a quote by Elon Musk in National Geographic, they'll have their first cargo mission to Mars as soon as the year 2022. They'll also have their first crewed mission as soon as the year 2024. They also plan to use this rocket not only for space travel but in lieu of conventional airplanes. According to their website, they estimate that a 12-hour flight from London to Hong Kong will be able to travel just over 30 minutes with their BFR rocket. They're also building a new launch facility to accommodate this new rocket. This new launch facility is the first commercial launch site in the world. and it's designed to their specific specifications to be able to achieve all their goals and objectives. Previously, all their launches have been done from government facilities such as Air Force bases in California or space centers in Florida. This new launch facility is located on Boca Chica Beach near Brownsville, Texas, and Deep South Texas. The benefits of this location include the close proximity to the ocean for the easy recovery of all of their reusable rocket components. I will now hand it back over to Francis to wrap things up.
Thank you, John. So, let's do a small recap of what we learned today. In the past, we learned about rockets that SpaceX has made to further revolutionize space travel. In the present, we learned about the current Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful rocket. And in the future, we learned about SpaceX's Mars mission and their new BTFR rocket that will be even more powerful than the Heavy. Thank you all for listening, and can I please take any questions?